If you're an animal lover, you need to know about the ostrich. It's the fastest bird on two legs. Meet the ostrich, the largest bird on Earth. Standing up to 9 feet tall and weighing up to 320 pounds, ostriches can sprint at speeds up to 45 miles per hour. Their powerful legs and unique two-toed feet help them run fast, while their wings are used for balance, not flight. Ostriches are omnivores, eating plants, insects, and small animals. They live in groups called herds for better protection. Did you know? Ostrich eggs are the largest of any bird, weighing up to 3 pounds and equivalent to 24 chicken eggs. Fascinated by ostriches? Like and share to spread the word about these incredible birds.